Oh, silly me, I forgot to introduce myself. My name's Nido. I'm 15 years old and I'm in 10th grade at Redwood High School. Hey, wait up! That's Pin, aka my best friend. We've known each other for a long time. So how was sixth period? Mine kinda sucked. Mine kinda sucked. I got paired up with Match for a project. Mine was boring. The highlight of the period was watching Coney and Fiery argue, and they always do that. Classic Coney. Haha. Did someone say my name? Oh, hi, Coney. We were just talking about you. Uh, hi, Coney. Nice to see you. All right, we've gotta go. We've gotta go now. Wanna walk home with us, Coney? Sure.